Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammed Saeed al-Mamari and I am a mechanical lab technician. And right now we are in a mechanical workshop. And for the specific subject, it is for manufacturing process. And in this workshop, I should introduce you to the safety procedures before entering the workshop. Should follow the whole safety procedures from bottom till your head. Should work the safety boots and overall and gloves and goggles before working with the machine, because it's a rotary machine. Should follow all the safety procedures.
I'm going to introduce you to the conventional lathe machine. I'm going to tell you about the parts, main important parts of lathe machine. This part called headstock, where the gears are mounted inside, where the controller levers and the speed controllers and the switch on and off, which control the spindle or rotation speed of the spindle. This one called spindle, and here are 3 jaw chuck. It's called 3 jaw chuck because there are 3 jaws. And this one called bed, where all the compound rest and tool posts are mounted on top of it. And here we have the lid screw. This lid screw where helps the carriage goes right or left automatically. And we have the feed rod where the carriage goes right or left, vice versa. And here we have tool post, where you keep the cutting tool here for the required or any jobs that want to be done. And here we have the hand wheel. Hand wheel helps to control the feet of the tool post or the compound rest. And here we have tailstock. It's to support the workpiece on the right side. And this one is bed. A simple introduction to the lathe machine. First of all, we measure the workpiece by using the vernier caliper to see the initial length and diameter.
First, we have to fix the workpiece in the machine, and then we make sure that all jaws are in the machine. And then we make sure that the tip of the cutting tool face the workpiece. Again. For the facing, we make sure that this part touches the surface here, and then it cuts, and the depth of cut is 0.5 ml each time, and then we reach the desired one. For turning operation, we must keep the cutting tool, the cutting edge perpendicular to the workpiece, so it reduces the diameter of the workpiece to the desired diameter we want. And now we go for turning operation. For turning operation, we must keep the edge of the cutting tool perpendicular to the workpiece, so it reduces the diameter. Again, and 3, 2, 1 again. For turning operation, we must keep the cutting tool, the cutting edge perpendicular to the workpiece, so it reduces the diameter of the workpiece to the desired diameter we want. The depth of cut is 0.5 each time we go in. Now, as we see, we made facing and turning, and see the difference between the diameters for the initial one and the final one. And we measure it by using the vernier caliper.